See, this is 75,000, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, if I have to see the select the department name. So see, select department, the column, what was the column name? Department name, department underscore name, comma,
Yeah.
department underscore budget, right?
Right.
From departments table, just copy this and paste it here, right?
Right.
Where department budget is greater than, is greater than, and then I will put this query inside a brackets as a subquery. Read the query for whole query. Read this.
Okay. Select department name, department budget from departments where department budget is greater than.
Then inside a bracket, I'm
Inside bracket.
calculating the average department budget.
Okay.
See, now I have only one department, engineering, which is having more budget than the average overall budget, right?
Right.
So in such scenarios, in such cases, we can use subquery, right?
Right.
Okay. Now let us solve one more question, and this time you have to answer the question. Select the employees whose salary is greater than the overall average salary. Let's say this is the table. Tell me the query quickly. Then we will move back to the SQL practice. Yeah. This is the table. We have employee ID, employee name, salary of the employees, and department ID. It's a very similar question. Very similar.
Mm-hmm.
We have to select the employees whose salary is greater than the overall average salary. That's all. Come on, Kevin, quickly, quick.
Select the employees whose salaries is greater than the overall average salary.
Yeah. Overall
Okay.
average salary of all employees.
So we can say select
Hmm.
employees ID, comma,
Hmm.
employee name,
Hmm.
where
Let's say all the columns
from
from.
from
Hmm.
employees. Then we'll, inside bracket open
Bro, where
where
salary?
salary greater than,
Yeah.
inside bracket open,
Hmm.
select
Hmm.
average salary of all employees. Select employees.
Right. Now we will calculate the average salary from employees table. That's all. What is the challenge in this?
It's straightforward. So this second select is actually the subquery.
Exactly. This part is a subquery. So see, now these two employees have the average salary above the average salary of all employees. Right?
Right.
Hmm. Any doubt in this?
No. When
Okay.
I go through it again, it will stick. Yeah.
Yeah. Now tell me,
Right.
Kevin, if I want to do some modification in this, let's say, uh, okay, hmm, let's take it to your notes. Just give me a second.
Okay.
Yeah, let's continue in this window. So that was right where we got this average salary, right, Kevin?
Yes.
Now quickly tell me, come on, quickly tell me. Uh, this was the question for this. Now, if I want to add department name as well to the output, what should I do?
To the output. So select. You want to add department. Okay. Okay.
I'll show you both the tables together also. Okay, so I have to create this in your database first. Let me just quickly create it inside your database. I'll just write use Kevin underscore DB, right?
Yes.
Then I will go and create this table departments inside your database. It will be created. Then I will insert values inside it. Then next step, I will create the table employee. Then I will insert the values inside it. And if I show you both the tables now, it looks something like this. And this was the query, Kevin, where we got the employees whose salary is greater than the average salary. Now, what I'm asking you is, I also want to, okay, so see, in this query, I'm getting the employee name, ID, salary, department ID, but I'm not getting the department name. I want to add the department name also.
Okay. Salary. Excuse me.
Yeah.
If I want to add department name as well to the output. You will not go on and say where department.
No, I want to also see the column name in the in the output. Now,
You
so
can,
see, Kevin, think about it again. Again, what the question says. Okay, this let's say this is the question. Select the employees whose salary is also greater than this, right? Now, I
yeah,
want to add a department name also. That means again, I need data from this table as well as this table, right? Because
right.
employee, all the other employee details like employee ID, employee name, all these details are in this table, but department name is in this table. So it simply means we have to join the table. Correct?
Correct.
So let's say select all the records from employees E, join departments D. Right? On what condition we join? On E dot, in the E table, employee table, we have department ID is equal to D dot, in the department table, we have department ID. Correct?
Correct.
Where?
Salary.
Right? Okay. Getting my point or not?
I'm getting you.
This is something which you already tell me, which you should tell me, because we have already covered this all.
Yeah.
Where salary table, salary column is from employee table. So I will write E dot salary is greater than. So this is the main query from here till here. Correct?
Correct.
And this is the sub query, line number 387. Where E dot salary is greater than average salary from employees table. That's all. If I run this, you will see these two employees which have the maximum salary greater than the average salary of all employees. But here again, Kevin, I will tell you one thing, that see, there are a few columns which are not needed. Department ID should not be there
Right.
because already the department name is there. So instead of asterisk, I will write the proper column names. So from the employee table, I will write A dot employee ID, comma, E dot employee name. This is important. Then E dot salary is important. Correct? Comma.
Correct.
From department ID is not important. From department table, I will take department D dot department name. That's all. So I will not put it as unnecessary columns there. Yeah. So see, this is about our output. Read this query very loud and clear and understand every word.
Okay.
Read it.
Select E dot employee ID.
Yes.
E dot employee name. Yeah. E dot salary.
Yes.
D dot department name from employees E. Join departments D on E dot department ID equals to department equals to D dot department underscore ID, where E dot salary greater than, inside bracket, select average inside bracket salary from employees, close bracket.
Right, Kevin?
Right. Join department ID on employee. Okay. Join department D on E dot department ID. Okay. Also D dot department ID. So yeah. So the tables are linked by these department IDs.
Sorry.
So we link both tables by this department ID, no?
Department, yeah, department, because department ID is the common column between both of them, no? It's the foreign key.
Yes. But with this foreign key, I thought it was like automatic. Like SQL could know this one is a foreign key because it is.
No. We have to explicitly mention like this line. We have to mention it. Right?
Yes. In case we don't mention it, what will happen?
No, it will not. How will SQL know automatically that, okay, this is the foreign key? No. It will never know. Because I assume that you are thinking that SQL will assume itself as the column name. If the column name is same here and same here.
Exactly. That's what I'm thinking.
No, bro. So see, Kevin, because in a lot of table can have the same name called name. For example, in the employee table, employee name is written as name. In the department table, department name is also written as name, but they both are not the same, na? That is employee's name, that is department name. They both are separate. How can you think about them to be same?
All right.
Right? Now let us do one or two more questions right here in this subquery part, and then we will move to that question. Let's say yeah, this is an interesting question, Kevin. To find the employees with the second highest salary. Correct?
All right.
Yeah. How do we solve that? Tell me. Yeah, rest all is covered. This is the thing which we will need to cover. So see, Kevin, I can also solve this question using window function. If you remember the concept of window functions. So see, this is the table. Now I can provide the rank. Select asterisk, comma, rank, right? Over clause. Then we will provide rank to the to all the employees. Correct?
Correct.
Since this question is very clear, find the employee with the second highest salary. That means from this overall table, I have to rank find the second highest earning member, right?
Right.
So I do not have to do any partition, Kevin. Think about it very carefully, because they are asking me to find the employee with the second highest salary overall, not department wise, not anything. Correct?
Correct.
So in the over clause, I will not use any partition. I will directly order the data, sort the data, order by salary, descending. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, as RNK, let's say rank. If I show you this much, so you see, Kevin, you see, rank 1 is given to this Alice Brown who has 70,000 salary. Rank 2 is given to the employee John Smith who has 60,000, and so on. Right?
Right.
Now I can put it into a some temporary table with CTE as select all the columns from CTE where RNK is equal to 2. You recall this with clause?
Yes. That's a temporal name.
Yes. See, now we are getting the employee with the second highest salary. Now, why I did not use partition here? Because I did not I was not asked to give me the second highest employee within each department or in anything like, right? There was no need to do partition.
Okay.
Because so see, the question simply says find the employee with the second highest salary overall in the whole table. So in the whole table, I do not need to do any partition. That is why I did not do that. Whenever I have to find anything from the whole table, why would I do the partition? Correct?
Correct.
So that is why. And also here, remember one thing now. In the over clause, there are two things. First is partition and second is order by. Partition is not mandatory. Right? Over clause can also work without the partition. But order by is mandatory. Right,
Okay.
Kevin?
Right.
In the window function in over clause, there are two things: partition and order, sorting the data. Partitioning the data is not as important. Sorting the data is important, mandatory. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so this is one of the approach. The same question we can approach with another solution. Now, what we can do is, so see, select top 1 records from the table employees where salary is less than maximum salary. This is using subquery. So see, okay, I'll tell you. Let us run it one by one. If we see this subquery, Kevin, it will give me the maximum salary, that is 70,000.
70,000.
Now what I'm saying is, see it very carefully, where salary is less than 70,000. Okay, okay. If I write it like this, select star from employees where salary is less than 70,000. Correct?
Correct.
This will give me 3 records.
Oh, salary.
Name is correct. Incorrect. If I see, it will give me 3 results: 60,000, 55,000, and 40,000. Now, if I order the data, order by salary descending. So now it will give me the person who is earning less than 70,000 at the top.
Yes, 60.
Right?
Yeah,
Now,
Smith.
instead of selecting all the records, if I say top 1, top 1 means this record. Take it step by step, Kevin. Take it step by step. Select all the records. Okay. What I'm simply doing is select all the records from employee table where salary is less than the maximum salary.
70,000. Yeah.
Right? So it will give me all the records, all the people who are earning less than 70,000. Correct?
Correct.
Then what I did, I would like to sort this data in descending order of salary so that the person who is earning less than 70,000, just after 70,000, that is the second highest earning person, should come at the top. Correct?
Correct.
Now, these are the 3 records. I would like to get only top 1. That is the person who is earning just below 70,000. See? Now, this query is not dynamic. 70,000 is a manual figure. Highest salary might change. So to replace this, I will just use this subquery. Is that clear or not?
It is.
I think it is, or is it not?
No, it is. It is.
Okay, if it is, tell me, Kevin, if the question is like this, find the employees. Okay, the question changes. Find the top 2 earning members. Okay, let's say find the question says second and third highest earning members. Now tell me, what will be the question? Find the second and the third highest earning member from employees. Tell me.
We'll use select.
Hmm. So see, let us approach this solution again step by step, Kevin. Okay, let us approach this step by step. First, what I will do the same thing. Select all the records from employees table, right?
Yes.
Here, salary. Let's say I know the highest salary is 70,000. Salary is less than 70,000.
70,000.
Correct? Okay. Now what this will give me? This will give me all the other records except 70,000. Okay, these are the 3 records. Now I would like to sort this data order by salary descending so that the person who is earning just below 70,000 comes at the top. Right? The second highest will come at the top because highest is 70,000. Right, Kevin?
Right.
Highest is 70,000. Just below that is 60,000. 60,000 will come at the top if I sort the data in descending order of salary. So 60,000 will come on the second number, 55,000 will come on the third number,
Yes.
right?
Right.
If I do this, now this is the output. Instead of top 1, I will just write top 2. Now it will give me top 2 records. That means this record and this record. Which they are having salary less than 70,000. So they are nothing but the top 2
Yes.
highest earning members.
Yeah, this query is far more
Easier.
easier.
Yeah. Now just to make this query very much dynamic, I will not use 70,000. I will use the sub query, so that even if the highest salary changes, my query will be able to fetch it. Right?
Right.
That is how we approach any problem step by step. Like this. Now this query is dynamic. Even if the highest salary changes, it will automatically update it. Right?
Right.
Now we can also get the same solution, Kevin, using window function. How? Tell me. What I will do, select asterisk from employees. Let's say first see the employees table. I always want to take any problem step by step. Let us first see the table. Okay, this is the table. After all the columns, I will write rank, bracket open close, over clause. Now again, in this question also, we are asked to get the second and the third highest salary from overall table. It is not asking from any department, right?
Yes.
So I will not write for any department. I will directly use order by. I will not do the partition. Order by salary, descending, right?
Right.
So see, as RNK from employees, if you see this much output, Kevin. So see, this person 70,000 is coming at the top and rank is 1. 60,000 coming second, after that rank is 2. 55,000 rank 3 and 45,000 rank 4. Now if they ask me to give the person with the second and the third highest salary, so what I will do, I will put it into a some temporary table, and then from that temporary table I will fetch select asterisk from CTE where RNK in 2, 3, because I want to fetch these 2 records now.
Yes.
Whose rank is second and whose rank is third.
So
Will it give me the same output? Yes. Right?
right.
Now, so I do not want to show the output. In the output, I do not want to show the department ID and rank, because that is not useful for any user. So I will, instead of asterisk, I will write employee ID, comma employee name, comma salary. That's all is important for any user, end user, right?
Right.
So see the output now. Cool.
Cool.
One problem can be approached by subquery as well as window function.
Function.
Is that clear? Is there any doubt in this?
No, I think you've clarified it. I just need to like go through it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I will just copy all of these notes from today's class, Kevin. There are a few more questions using for subquery. I suggest you to go through this after the class.
Okay.
Right? I will quickly update it into this Google Docs so that you can revise it. Right? So all of the notes are gathered into one place. It will be very easier for you to revise whenever you need
Yeah.
it. Yeah, so this is all notes from today's class 15. I'll make it bold and highlight it in yellow so that you figure out. Okay.
Yes.
Now let us see that question SQL practice. What was that question, Kevin?
It was a medium question where no it no patient, there was no patient records. Let me
In the
see
admissions table.
in the admission table. Okay, yeah, this is it.
Yeah. Right. Okay.
Yeah,
Now let us solve this question. So first, I will see the select all the records from patients table. Correct.
correct.
I will run it. Okay. Now I will write where patient ID, right? Not
Right,
in admissions table. So inside a subquery where patient ID not in, I will write inside a subquery select distinct patient ID from admissions table. Simple as that. If I run this much, Kevin, okay, let me run only this one, line number 3. If I run
all
the
right.
selection, you will see these are all the patients who exist in the admission table. That means they have taken admission sometimes. Correct? These are all the patients. But if I
Yes,
write select all the records from the patients table where patient ID does not exist in this table. That's all. Isn't it easier? Now do not have to put a star because they are asking specifically patient ID, first name and last name.
last name.
I will just copy those column names. If I run this query, let's see, you got that correct.
Where patient ID not in,
Yeah,
not int.
not in inside the subquery. Because so see, this line number 3, what it will have? It will have all the patient ID who have taken admission, right? All
Yeah,
the
yeah,
records
yeah.
are present in the admission table. But I want to get all the records from the patients table which are not present in the admission table. That's all. That is why I write not in. Okay. If the question says, Kevin, give me all the patients from the patients table who exist in the admission table, then what I do? Tell me. Then what would I do?
Who exist in?
Yeah. Yeah, like it says now, who does not have any record. I am
Yeah,
saying who has any record in the admissions table.
where patient ID in,
Exactly. We will remove not.
not
We will say in,
in.
right?
Yes,
That's all. We can also achieve the same thing using inner join, because inner join will give us all the record which are present in both the tables. That means the patients who have taken admission, right?
right,
In case of having, in case of in, if I have to solve the question, who's who does have any record in the admissions table, then we could also use inner join. But for now, this is okay, right, Kevin?
right.
Yeah. Any doubt in this?
No, I think you are making it really like look simple and yeah.
It is actually, brother. Trust me. And I appreciate your practice. Do more questions, Kevin. And after this, I think we will have the last class tomorrow, probably last class, in which we will start a project. So I have a pre-recorded project for you, end-to-end SQL data analytics case study, which is the real fun, ultimate fun. But before that, I wanted you to prepare for every concept with window function, subquery, temporary tables, joins, having clause, where clause, group by, where, everything.
Okay,
Now I feel everything is clear. You just need to practice more. So take today and tomorrow before the class, practice as much as you can, all the questions from SQL practice, and then in tomorrow's class, I will start the project with you,
All right.
right? And that project will be really helpful for you to put into your resume also. You can showcase it while interviewing, right? While your interview also, you can show that project that, okay, I made this and this is how I got the data, this is the analysis which I have done, this is the output, this is my report, and everything. Like, it would be ultimate fun, trust me on this.
All right. I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, it will be ultimate fun. But
It's
before that, just try to practice as much as you can,
okay.
right, Kevin? Like
Right.
today, you were not able to revise window functions, so I want
Yes.
all of these concepts which we have studied so far on the tips, on your
Okay.
tips.
All
It
right.
should be on your tips, brother, right? And I'm always there, just a message away. If you feel
Okay.
any doubt, just message us.
All right. Well,
Right, while practicing, if you feel any doubt, don't waste your time. Message us on WhatsApp or whatever. We will definitely get back to you. But like, SQL should be really strong. It should be your strength
yes.
while moving into data analytics.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
So get ready for a ultimate project tomorrow. Before that, practice everything.
All right. I will.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. And I really appreciate, Kevin, your efforts and whatever you are putting. I appreciated that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Best wishes, bro. See you tomorrow.
See you. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.